like whiskey and cigarettes. Has it been a hell of a night? You live your life free of all regret, but I know that I have mine. I walk these streets with so many scars, and big smiles and broken hearts. One day this man on the cable car had a sign that spoke straight to my heart. It said, this is not the only life. This is not the only life. You have the freedom to live. There's so many mountains left to climb if you only try. I'm breaking free of my broken ways, no longer locked up in chains. I'm feeling nothing but joy today. I've absorbed myself from form and shame. It's time to rise.